I get pepperoni and then onions, it's the same thing to me as onions and then pepperoni. So different orderings are not going to be counted separately. So the PO is going to be the same as the OP. I don't count it twice. Okay? So when I don't want to count things twice, when order doesn't matter, I use the combinations formula. So let's get a two-topping pizza. How many different two-topping pizzas are there? So we'd have pepperoni and onions, pepperoni and bell pepper, pepperoni and olives, pepperoni and mushrooms, onions and bell pepper, onions and olives, onions and mushrooms, bell pepper and olives, bell pepper and mushrooms, olives and mushrooms. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what 5 combinations of 2 turns out to be. By formula, it's 5 factorial over 2 factorial. I kind of have it screwy there. That's supposed to be an R. Times 5 minus 2 factorial. It's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 3 factorial. 3 times 2 times 1. That is, let's cancel out the ones that'll cancel. That is 20 over 2, which is 10, just like we predicted. And in your calculator, you should get 10 when you say 5C2. Oh, I have 5 choices put on my pizza. Pepperoni, onions, bell pepper, olives, or mushrooms. I want a 2-topping pizza, so that's the 5 and the 2. No, I'm just checking. I'm showing you where it came from. Uh-huh.
How do you know which one is the N and which one is the R?
Oh, the N is always the biggest number. The N is always the number of things in your set. The R is how big you need to make each set. So I want to choose groups of 3 from 20 items. So the N is the 20 and the 3 is the R. The N is always going to be bigger than the R. Yes. Oh, so the formula is the R factorial times N minus R factorial. So I get that 2 there, and I get 5 minus 2 there is 3. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. 20 people willing to be student representatives on the student council. There are only 5 positions open. Now, if these positions are named positions like president and vice president and secretary, then order matters. But if these are just, what do they call them, student at large or something like that, positions on the council, then it doesn't matter if you got picked first or last. You're still one of the people on the council. So I have to determine, okay, there are 20 people, the student representatives, they don't say that they're getting specific jobs, so it's going to be a combination. So I want to get sets of 5 students from these 20. So the 5 is the R and the 20 is the N. So this is 20C5, which is some great big number. One 5504. There's 15,504 different groups of 5 we could make to be on the council from just those 20 people.